What just happened? Fuck. There's a fucking explosion right now. I didn't get that on tape, but the fucking tire just blew up. And it went across the freeway, if you can see. In the middle of the street. There's a fucking, a lot of fire. I'll show you right now. Let me put pause. Nigga. Ese güey chismoso. I wanna see closer. Fucking cocksucker. Damn, niggas. Damn. It's going down. Damn. Look at that shit, man. Of course they had to close the freeway. They're probably gonna be selling tacos again. Let's just stop in the middle of the freeway and buy some tacos. That guy's running. I wonder how that shit got started. Damn, look at this shit. I wonder how it got started. Look at, see, that exploded, and the tire's right here. Oh, you can feel the heat. Shit, you can feel the heat.